All right, so most of you guys have wanted to know what's inside these, and I do too. I'm dying to know. So let's pull out one of these bad boys right here. This is the one we just found in the side of the river. Let's see what's in it. That sounds hollow. Oh, 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 we have crackage. We have crackage. Here's the beast. It didn't crack perfect, but let's see what's in it, shall we? All right. Something right up in there. Well, that's a huge bad boy. Let's see if we can pop open a little farther. Oh, there. Oh, there is some shell matter in there. What do you think, guys? Look at this. It's still got the iridescent, like abalone shell style of. Any ideas what you guys think that is?